Thank you for being here and welcome to this joint debate in this occasion for two prominent foundations very active in the field of energy, the Energy European Foundation, and in the field of the ICT sector, the digital sector, the European Internet Foundation. The two foundations co-host this meeting today, which is try to bring some lights on this concept of smart energy, which is possible due to the impact of digital technologies on the energy sector. Digital technologies permeate virtually all sectors of industry and services, so whole economy, and of course do the same with energy. It would take a very brief overview, which show what I was just referring to. If we look, for example, at primary energy production, digital technologies have shown to be crucial in renewable energy developments in this regard. Although renewable energies is very clear that are provided by natural resources, let's say sunlight, wind, water, or geothermal heat, ICTs together with engineering technologies have made it possible to collect energy and to convert it in a more usable form. But if we look to, let's say, a transport through the grids, the potential volume of efficiency gains is enormous. We must not forget that transport and distribution loses between 6% and 8% today and are considered something like normal. Now we can move to energy consumption in household, transport, manufacturing, technology developments such as smart meter, efficient lighting, cloud computing, and distributed software have the potential to transform energy use normal patterns, current patterns, and promoting a responsible usage. But to finalize just this very brief introduction from my side, I also have to mention that the benefits of digital technologies is a lot. We have, beyond what I mentioned, the big data dimension, which provides such an extraordinary amount of information in order to tailor according to user needs, even individual through individual or general, let's say, companies, enterprises, or whatever. So such an information also faced the energy sector with many of the problems that were previously just for the digital sector per se. I'm talking about data protection, data ownership, and all things related to user data use, the massive amount of data and data coming from individuals or being companies or being individual. So this is the kind of debate that we are in many sectors, and also now in energy, which must answer to all these kind of problems related to big data. I have to say that now we can really energetically affirm that ICT and energy is a winning alliance, and it's a winning alliance in terms of growth, in terms of competitiveness of our economy. Both combined is extremely powerful driving force, I would say, through the competitiveness of the European economy in the global context we have to face now. So that's important to really underline, because I think it has that's enormous value, the combination, the alliance between ICT and energy sectors. I will now give the floor to my dear friend, colleague, and chair of the European Energy Forum, Jerzy Buzek, and then after that, I will pass the floor. We are so happy to have you here, Dominique Ristori, General Director, as you well know, and also two more speakers, Volker Franz, Senior Vice President, EU Public Affairs, ABB, and Roberto Fangrandi, Special Advisor for Smart Grids, ETSO, the European Distribution System Operator Association. So, Jerzy, please, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much. Welcome to all of you. Welcome to the representatives of stakeholders and representatives of the member state, and also new permanent attendants of the European Internet Forum. As you know, just now from the posts we are having behind us is a joint meeting of both European Internet Forum and European Energy Forum. I can tell you that Madame del Castillo is a member of both of them. And being sometimes present in European Energy Forum, Pilar is not my case. So I think in the year's meeting of European Internet Forum, it is absolutely necessary for me to be present as well, even not being permanent member. Maybe it is also my future. We will see in the future. But let me say, there is no energy union without digital union. So you don't only support us in energy union. You are something so important that we cannot say anything else. Well, there are three reasons. We need smart grids, because we need more flexibility in electricity supply. Electricity supply and smart grids, very important. We can also use digital solutions in the gas market, but they are not of crucial importance, like it is in the electricity market. Secondly, we need smart metering. Why? Because we would like to make our flexibility in electricity possible and to save some money. It is possible only if we've got smart metering, and we need significant digital solution because we need more efficiency, cheaper energy, cleaner energy, and secure energy, security of supply. That's enough reasons for being in the same way. And thank you very much for coming together. I'm quite sure it is not first such a meeting, joint meeting of both forums, for internet and for energy. You are much younger than Energy Forum. So I'm jealous about that. Okay, so all the best to our joint future, both forums. Thank you very much. We ask Mr. Ristori, Director General.